over there. I know. They got a lot of speed over there. God damn. Let me get set. I got my brother. JT, you only going halfway, man. What you talking to me for, man? Come on.
A new ref.
That's what I was saying too.
Then all of a
Interception.
Sudden, like Thanksgiving, right before Thanksgiving, was feeling well. All the kicks are going. Anything behind the end zone, we could go 2 28-minute halves, and then NFL rules the last 2 minutes. 2-minute warning, out of bounds, stop the clock, stuff like that. Other than that, oh, we do. You got so. Yeah. Y'all start down there so we can get started.
So you already decided?
Yeah, well, because we're not going to do field.
Okay.
Everybody's going this way.
Okay.
Because, you know, I got a puddle down.
Down. Sit. Andre, my bad. The official sidelines over here. This one I eyeball. Hey, hold on. Time out. Down. Sit. Go get him, bro. There you go. There you go. Third. That's me. There you go. You go. Yeah. Right there, uh-oh. Third down. Third down. Time to go to work. Hey, Willie, tip him right there. Tip him. There we go. Set. Come on. There you go. Up the hole. Here we go. First. Fourth down. Oh, come on. This is down. There's fourth down. We're making stops right here. Here we go. Set. Go get him. Oh, there we go. Now, I say them. I told you I ain't playing, bro. Third down pick. Down. Set. Got it. Oh, there you go. Second. And the middle too, though, right? Down. Set. Down. Set. Oh yeah. My bad. You turned out. You're open. I knew he was coming, man. I'm gonna stay a little more back. They keep the longer snap like that. Down. Sit. Get him. Hey. Let's go. First down. You're alive. Right there. Alive. You did that one time. David, you didn't get mad.
JT.
Get mad though. That's how we brush him, man. I'm gonna stay extra back. Yeah. Down. Sit. Oh, let's go. I know. I'm like, my back fucked up. Oh, fucked up. Run the route regardless. Back up with you. Down. Sit. Go. Go ahead. Oh, David, you were too slow. His knees fucked up.
They were watching it.
His knees fucked up. I know. Down. Sit. Pick up. There you go. Oh my God. There you go. 9 minutes into the game, guys. Down. Set. Go get him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Good job. First down. You see how I drew David Jr. towards me? I drew him towards me. He's scared. Good. Hey, pick up here. I got him. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Touchdown, baby. Let's go. Let it burn. Touchdown. Let's go. We out here. Who can kick? Speed it up. Dude. Oh, I thought you went ahead of me. All right. Kenny, come on. Hey, clock running. Get it.
6-0.
Here you go. Go pick up. Go. Get him. There you go. Swan. Hey, good lateral. Good lateral. Go. Watch David Jr. First down. All right. Come out there, no? Yeah. First, like going deep on first. Go. Watch the run. Ah, my fault, Colin. Hey. Stand up. Watch. There you go. There you go, Swan. Good pick up. They cut. It ain't no track. No. First to go. Go. Oh, there you go. Touchdown. There you go. No good. Down. Set. There you go. Down. Oh my God. Set. Oh, here you go, first. He did it. Almost. Full stop too, man. Full stop. You might be right, but I literally couldn't see him from the bottom. What do we do? Down. I'm a little back, JT. Set. Oh, no. Now what about me? 5 minutes. New man in, new receiver, new down. Set. Oh. Yo. There we go. Second down. Yeah, I ain't a set. go, baby. First down. Back up, you see?
And then when I raise my leg, 2 seconds in the snap, right? Down. Set. Yo!
There we go.
Don't worry about me.
2nd and 1. Starting the 2-minute clock.
Hey, Andre, everybody get 4 timeouts.
Down.
Okay.
Set. Oh, there we go.
Fucking cat, man.
Woo!
Set.
Oh, my bad, bro. I blocked this shot my own man.
Set.
Oh, go.
Come out. Down. Set.
Oh. Stop. 117.
2nd or 3rd?
Down. Set.
Keep jumping.
Ah, my bad.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
I know. Down.
Hold on.
Okay. Set.
Yo. Oh, no.
Oh no! Hey, get that! Oh! No, come on. Down. Set.
Oh.
Yeah! Back it up.
Offside.
Down. Set. No huddle.
40.
Oh, good D, Kenny. Good D. That's all right. Line up more tackle. Down. Hey, Willie, tip him over here. Tip over there. Set.
Go.
There you go. Get that.
Hurry up. Fucking crash it, man.
Woo.
Everybody starting on it. Because it's blood down there. Here's our ball. We're going to look at it. Y'all know what's happening. No. All right. Let's go. Oh, shit.
Hey, this is slippery as shit.
Out of bounds. 7 seconds. Go.
Time out.
Watch the middle. Go right. I got him. Let him do whatever you want. Let him stay in there. Kenny, come get the lateral, Kenny.
Yeah, he got
Flag down. Watch that Junior. Watch David Junior.
Oh, got him.
Hey, Willie Alex, say what?
Hey, you know what to do. got a rookie receiver and a rookie quarterback.
Go.
Watch David Jr.
Here we go. Here we go.
Did he tackle on the scrimmage?
No.
First down.
Right there. Go.
Contain.
It is.
Hey, that's my cousin.
Second down.
Contain.
Go.
Contain.
That's the ball. Go.
There you go. Here we go. Here we go. Tackle. We're going to tackle. Here we go. Tackle. Come in. 31.
Go.
Ah, look. Got him. Let's go. He's scared. Let's go. Down. Sit.
Coming.
Go. I thought you were